गोविंदा गोविंदा सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। कलये सुन्दराकारं सदैकप्रियदर्शनम् अज्ञाननाशकं देवं सद्गुरुं मुरलीधरं मुरलीमण्डितकरकमलं मुनिजनमोहनं व्यत्यस्तपादं वनमालाधारिणं प्रेमभक्तमण्डलनित्यकीर्तितं श्रीप्रेमिकवरदम् आश्रयेऽहम्। कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय देवकी नन्दनाय च नन्दगोपकुमाराय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः। कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय हरये परमात्मने प्रणतक्लेशनाशाय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः। नाम संकीर्तनं यस्य सर्वपापप्रणाशनं प्रणामो दुःखशमनः तं नमामि हरिं परं। बुद्धिर्बलं यशोधैर्यं निर्भयत्वमरोगता अजाड्यं वाक्पटुत्वं च हनुमत्स्मरणात् भवेत्। श्रीहरये नमः श्रीहरये नमः श्रीहरये नमः। गोपिका जीवनस्मरणं गोविन्दा गोविन्दा सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। I bow down to the lotus feet of our Guru Maharaj, Shri Shri Muralidhara Swamiji, and prostrate unto the lotus feet of Madhuri Sakhi Sameta Premika Varadan and Lord Jagannath Swami. Because of their causeless mercy, I am getting this opportunity to talk about a great Bhakta, Jayadeva, and his writing Gita Govinda. We all know whatever told in Vedas are the reference for all Shastras and Puranas. In Veda itself, only two places were spoken. One is Jagannath Puri and the other is Tirupati. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, at the end of his Leelas in earth, merged with Lord Jagannath Swami. Jagannath Puri temple has such reference that even bird or plane will not fly over the temple. Our Guruji says the most sinful food is the one touched or sniffed by a dog. We should not eat such food, but if it is Jagannath Prasadam, even if the dog sniffed it, grab it and eat. Such is the power of our Jagannath Swami. Jayadeva was born in a nearby village of such wonderful place, Jagannath Puri. Jayadeva was a great devotee of Lord Jagannath and he was a poet. Jayadeva's wife Padmavati was a good dancer. When Jayadeva sang about the Lord, Padmavati used to dance for the Lord. Like our Jagan Mohan and Pandurangan, their Krishna's name was Madhava. When Jayadeva did Abhishekam, Padmavati used to say, "Please see if the water is warm enough for Madhava to take bath." If he does Archana, she used to say, "Please make sure the flowers are not falling on Madhava's eyes." Our Guruji says, "Bhavam illada bhajane yeno, bhakti illada bhajane veene." Jayadeva and Padmavati's love was full of love and lots of bhavam. They treated Madhava as he was real standing in front of them. If somebody congeals with love, how we would respond. We feel very happy and comfortable and feel like running to them, right? If your mom says, "Come, Kanna," you will feel happy, right? Same happened with Lord Madhava. Lord Madhava was so pleased with Jayadeva and Padmavati, he appeared in their dreams and blessed them. One day when Madhava appeared in Jayadeva's dream, he asked Jayadeva to sing a song about him. From that moment, the Leelas of Bhagavan started showing in Jayadeva's vision. Normal poets think for hours or sometimes days and pick words to create a poem. But it was not in the case of Jayadeva. Like our Guruji creating Madhura Geetam, if he closes his eyes, he sees all the Leelas of Bhagavan and the song flows like a river automatically. That's how Jayadeva wrote Gita Govindam or Ashtapati. In first Ashtapati, Jayadeva talks about all the 10 avatarams of Bhagavan. The first Ashtapati goes like this. Pralaya payodi chale Gopala Krishna Jitavanasi Vedam Krishna Vihita Vahitra Charitra Makedam Keshavadrita Meena Sharira Jaya Jagadisha Hare Hare Mukunda Jaya Jagadisha Hare. Each shloka explains the avatara of Bhagavan. Then Jayadeva talks about Varaha Avatara, the big form of Bhagavan, lifting the earth with his snout. It looks like the world is resting in peace at the tip of the tusks, and the world looks like a crescent. Shashini Kalanka Kalevani Magna Keshavadrita Shukara Rupa Jaya Jagadisha Hare Hare Mukunda Jaya Jagadisha Hare. Then Jayadeva finishes all 10 avatarams in first Ashtapati. In the rest of the Ashtapatis, Jayadeva talks about Krishna's pastime with Radharani and the other gopis. We all know Krishna is mischievous, right? He is teasing Radharani by disappearing from her. Radharani is searching Krishna everywhere in the forest. She asks her Sakhi or her friend, "Did you see Krishna?" But what was Krishna doing? He was dancing and playing with all the other gopis. The Sakhi saw this and she is grabbing Radharani and shows, "See what your Krishna is doing?" Chandana Chachita Nila Kalevara Pitavasana Vanamali Radhe Keli Chalan Mani Kundala Mandita Gantayuha Smita Shali Radhe. Oh Radha, look, dressed in Pitambara and a Vanamala and sandalwood paste made upon his blue limbs. Hari is enjoying with the other gopis in this Vrindavana forest. Radharani was very angry with Krishna. She felt very much ignored and staying away from Krishna. She still loves Krishna so much she was not able to tolerate the separation from Krishna. She was not eating, nor sleeping, nor talking, or playing with her other friends. Always thinking of Krishna. By seeing this, her friend felt very bad and she is conveying the message to Krishna. Stalavini hitamapi haram mudaram samanute kricha tanurati baram Radhika Krishna Radhika Virahe Tava Keshava Radhika Krishna. Saki says, Hey Radhika Krishna, Pavam Radharani, you know how Radharani is suffering without you? Radharani has become very thin and feels so much about the separation from you. Oh Keshava, please go and see her. Krishna says, I'm not ignoring her. Go and tell her I'm waiting for her and bring her to me. The Saki again comes to Radha and tells, Rati sukha sare kadamapi sare madana manohara vesham radhe nakuru nidambini gamana vilambanam anusaratam hridayesham radhe. Oh Radha, look, Vanamali Krishna is sitting with garlands of flowers and he looks so beautiful. Do not make him wait. Go and see him. Dira Samire Yamuna Tire Vasati Vane Vanamali Radhe Gopi Bina Payodara Mardana Samchala Karayuga Sali Radhe Dira Samire Yamuna Tire. Krishna is waiting in the banks of the Yamuna river. Radha, go and see him immediately. In 12th Ashtapadi, Jayadeva is talking about his dear Lord Jagannatha and the other Ashtapadis talk about Radha meeting Krishna and Krishna asking apology to Radharani. Jayadeva sees all this in his vision and writes, When Jayadeva keeps writing the Leelas of Bhagavan, at one stage, Jayadeva wrote a sentence like Radharani keeping her feet on Krishna's forehead. Then Jayadeva stopped. He thinks, what I am writing? Krishna is Bhagavan. How come Radharani keeps her feet on Krishna? Does it look nice? Jayadeva was confused. Then he erased whatever he wrote and went for taking bath in the river. Then Lord Krishna came in the form of Jayadeva and he rewrote everything back and asked Padmavati for some water and drank and went outside. Then our Jayadeva comes back and he wanted to reread his writing one more time. He was so shocked and surprised that all the sentences he erased were reappearing. Then Jayadeva calls Padmavati and asks, Padmavati, did you change it? Padmavati said, I did not do anything, but you only came and changed, and even you asked water. Then Jayadeva realized that Bhagavan came and wrote the sentence. Bhagavan wanted in that way. Smaragaragandanam mama shirashi mandanam dehi pada pallavamudaram jwala चलति मयि चारुशीले. Then he finished all 24 Ashtapatis. Jayadeva's Ashtapati became very famous. Everybody liked it. Even now, in Guruvayur and Puri Jagannath temple, Ashtapati is sung for the Lord every single day. By saying this, the king got jealous of Jayadeva. As the king was a poet himself, he wrote another set of songs on Lord Krishna. He showed it to all the pandits in his kingdom, but nobody accepted the king's song. Everybody said only Jayadeva's Ashtapati is great. The king was very upset. So one day night before Dolotsavam, the king kept Jayadeva's Ashtapati and his own in front of Lord Jagannath and prayed to choose the one Lord Jagannath liked. The next day morning, when they opened the gates of Lord Jagannath, everybody was so surprised that Jagannath was holding Jayadeva's Ashtapati on his head. Such is the greatness of Ashtapati. So there is a beautiful story to prove this. There is a flower girl. She used to collect flowers and give it to the temple. One day she was singing Ashtapati with great joy and plucking flowers. Krishna was so happy hearing Ashtapati, he followed that girl dancing and enjoying. He was so happy that he put his finger ring into the basket of that girl. The flower girl unknowingly gave the flowers collected to the flower seller. The flower seller found the ring and complained to the king. When the king came to the temple, the ring was missing from Bhagavan's hand. But not only that, he saw that all the dress Lord Jagannath was wearing were all dirty and muddy and torn because of the thorns. The king and the priest were so shocked. But Krishna was showing in the dream of the king and said, the girl was not the thief. He himself presented the ring to her as a reward of her singing Ashtapati. Bhagavan says himself, Yatra yatra kuruvanti Gita Govindam Kirtanam Tatra tatra prema purvam Nrityami prithvipate. Such is the greatness of Ashtapati. Without Guruji's grace, we are so fortunate to learn Ashtapati in our satsang. This means that Krishna is always with us and blessing. We with humble mind and with love, let us sing the glories of Radha and Krishna and live happily. Krishna prema mai Radha, Radha prema mayo Hari. Krishna prema mai Radha, Radha prema mayo Hari. Jeevane nidane nityam, Radha Krishnam gatir mama. Jeevane nidane nityam, Radha Krishnam gatir mama. Neelambaradharo Radha, Divya Pitambaradharo Hari. जीवनस्मरणं गोविंद गोविंद। सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। Thank you all for listening to my first Harikatha. Radhe Radhe.